Hi everyone, this is Maria from Investomation, and today I'm going to talk about using Investomation tool to improve your investing decision. Don't forget, it's free to get started. So, ready? Let's give it a go. So, to start using the app, you should create an account. The basic account is free. After making an account, you will see the main page with a map of the US and two blocks of data on the top left side of the screen. They are grouped into heat map metrics and map controls. Let's look at the heat map metrics first. These metrics are grouped into 9 categories: housing, transportation, income, population, migration, education, crime, employment, and businesses. If you hover your mouse over the indicators in the menu, you will see a pop-up window with an explanation of each metric. Select one or more metrics of the heat map menu on the left. Let's choose media home price, crime index, and let's say median income. Moving your mouse over a broad matrix or category opens up a secondary menu with individual metrics as well as short description of each of them. You may think too many metrics, how to prioritize them? Here is a life hack. So each metric is represented by a tag with the weight shown on the left of the matrix name. Not a big deal at all. Just adjust the base for them by using the arrows. You can give metrics a negative weight, negating its result relative to other, and the color will be a red. For example, giving negative weight to home price ranks area with lowest home price highest on your map. Also, you can prioritize the metric by giving them different weights. You will see them turn darker green for features you strongly desire or darker red for those that you strongly don't desire. Step 5. Use map controls to show cities, mark locations, or simply measure distances. So that's it. Just push a compute button and see a result. Look at this map. The red part of the map shows the least attractive territories based on your selected criteria. The green ones emphasize the most interesting areas. By hovering the mouse over the state, you can see information on all selected indicators in a black box. You can see this rating at the state level or zoom into the specific zip code. A key differentiator for a paid account is the forecasting tool. You can extrapolate the metrics you selected a decade or more into the future. Just keep in mind that the further out you go, the less accurate the predictions are. So let's look at 2010, 2021. Here, so the timeline also shows important historical events with a significant real estate impact. We call them black swan events. In case you already know the address of the property you're looking for, say for example you found it on the Redfin or just a part of wholesale mailing list, you can use the search tool to zoom into that area immediately, preserving your zip code-based region analysis. So it's easy, convenient, and it only took a few clicks. Give Investomation.com a try. It's free to start. And give us your feedback on the comments below. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed.